turkey.
All right, guys. My little brother's gonna, ride his bike. Hold on. All right, he'll be coming around here in a second. Hold on.
Hold on tight.
Got it?
Yeah.
On this side again? Okay, ready? I got you. Ooh, don't put your feet down. Come on. Tell me when. Tell me when. You got it?
I guess now.
Now? Keep going! Keep going! Come on! Oh, come on! Come on!
Hi guys.
By the way, Luna here. Hi! I'm getting my little brother to ride his bike more. Okay. No. Come on, Bubba. I got you. See? I got you.
I'm gonna turn.
Nope. I'm gonna go straight.
Don't.
Now we're gonna go that way. Come on. You can do it.
Someone put stickers on me. They put stickers on me.
So,
Wrong way.
here, Mark. Use this. Use this one first.
Here we go.
Come on. Turn. Can you do it? Other way. It's a curb. Marky.
Yeah, I knew that.
Marky, stop touching the ground. You gotta keep your handlebar straight. Over this way. Here, walk a little bit. Do you got it? Turn. Do you got it? You got it? You can do it! Yay! Woo! Good job, Bubby! Uh-huh. Come on! You can do it! Alright guys, that's all for today. I know, very stupid short video, but it's my little brother. I'm really proud of it. Okay guys, bye!